Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel we have got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We've got issue 33. What we're going to be doing in issue 33, we're going to be doing some more work on our left shoulders. We're going to be putting some details on. We're going to be attaching this to our shoulder, and we're also going to be making this piece up, and we're going to be attaching that to the front of our shoulder here. And we get another piece in here which is the top of the vertebra, so we're going to be keeping that for next time. We're not going to be using that in this issue. So Sci-Fi Cinema Legends is Independence Day, and Real World Science is the History of Time Part 4, and what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and start building issue 33. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging. We are going to need some glue for this issue, and we're going to be gluing this piece on here. First off, it wants us to take this piece and put it to the side, because we're not going to be using this piece this issue. This is metal, and it looks like it's going to be the top of the vertebra where the head goes, I believe. So we'll have a look at that towards the end of the issue. So first off, it wants us to cut these two pieces off the sprue. So let's do that now. And we're going to need a little spot of glue. So I've got my pot here, and we're going to do a little reservoir just there, and we're going to use a cocktail stick just like we've done before. We're going to be putting a little dab of glue, if I can pick the part up, just in this piece here and this piece here. So let's get that done now. And it wants us to locate this on these two bits here, so I'm just going to put a little dollop of glue just on the inside here, just to make sure it sticks, and we can push that together just like that. Next, it wants us to bring back our shoulder, this one here, the left shoulder, and we're going to be gluing this to here. So it asks us to apply the glue to this part. So let's apply the glue to this part. Just like that, and then we can apply this piece on, and you want it going what way? This way round? Yep, this way round, and push that on until it's on there, just like that. I am going to put a bit more glue just on this bit, because this bit is going to hold it as well. So I'm just going to put some on here, just on the front edge. Just like that. Give that a second to dry, and there we go, that's taken to that. So we don't need any more glue for the second, because we do, we need it for this piece. So we're going to do exactly the same as we did in the last issue. Apply some glue to here, and we're going to connect it to there. So let's get some glue on here. So need a touch more glue, because my glue, I've used all that little double glue that I used. There we go. Carry on. Just in between each piece. I'm just going to give it a quick swirl just around the edges of each pin, not on the top of each pin, but just around the edges. Yeah, and now we can stick this in. Goes this way in, push it down, clip it in, just like that. That's what you should have after that step. Next, we're going to be bringing this part back, and as with the last issue, we've got the two screw holes here, and obviously we want this spacing down towards the bottom of the shoulder blade again, so it's going to be going this way. So let's get a screw and get this located on. So it's going this way, and screw it on. first one in, now the second one. Just like that, and that is what you should be left with after this issue. So yeah, this piece here, I don't know where this is going to go, but let's take a look at what's coming up in the next issue, and we'll see if we can thingy. So we are assembling our first vertebra. Yes, we get this. We get 2 pieces, some screws, get some nuts in the next issue as well. So yeah, looks like on here we're going to be connecting the head maybe to here. Sort of a perfect fit maybe, and that's going to sit on there maybe, and maybe these are going to connect somewhere on a part here maybe, I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also if you liked the video, give it a like. And yeah, so thank you very much. I'll see you next time.